Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw the giant chicken from Family Guy and also in Fortnite at the moment. So let's get in there at the top up here, or the top area of the chicken. So at the top we're going to do kind of like an oblong kind of circular point. I'm just going to go in there and get that in like that. Just behind that there's another little one that goes kind of around and down. So I'm just going to go up, around, down like that. Then there's like a third one. It just sort of pops around in the background there, okay? This kind of gets capped off at the front, so I'm just going to do a little bit here, go around and then like that there, okay? Cool. Next up, I'm just going to draw that like head area, so I'm just going to do a curve here from that point there, like that, okay? Let's do his head, and what we do is from this point here, we'll just go up, around, so the back of his head is there, and like around like that. Okay, then let's have a look at where his beak is. So at the top of his beak, it's just a little area here where we're going to pop his eyes in. So I'm just going to do, it's quite an angry giant chicken, I must say. So I'm just going to do like an angry brow, just pops up there. On this side as well, just curve like that and then flip up, make him a little bit angry too. 2 lines down like that. And there's a little sort of area comes over there over his beak, like that. Just join that up, and a circle here, where his eyes are. Just pop a little circle on either side. There you go, angry eyes there. Let's do the rest of his beak. So it kind of goes out here, down like that, and then around, sort of up, and then sort of a frown down like that. Start just under there and we'll just continue around there, just finish the rest of his beak off, okay? Just under his, sort of the beak area there, got a couple of oblong lines to make, so 1 and then 2, like that. Yeah, that's looking good. Okay, just here I'm going to let's pop this out a little bit further. Just going to pop a line down, some sort of zigzags there. And then a couple in here as well, like that. Let's pop in his sort of wing here, which is a bit of a fist. So shoulder area is there, we're just going to do a line like that. Then we'll just draw a little line up. It's got a thumb there, like so. And then what we'll do is we're just going to do, this is the top of his sort of finger, his hand. We're just going to bring it down like that. And a couple of like little bits come out like so. And around sort of like the feathers there. We can just pop in a couple of lines for the hand there. So he's got a bit of an angry kind of fist. Just join that up. This side here, we'll just draw the rest of this arm sort of coming around here and up to this point. So what we have is a bit of a shoulder area like that to there. Feathers again, around like this. And then out, up like that, and that's where his hand is. So I'm just going to go just here. We'll just have a little curve. That'll be his thumb. Then we can just draw the rest of his fingers. 1, 2, 3, like that. Bring that down in, just up to there. Quite chunky arms. And bring that up as well, so quite thick wings on there. Okay. Let's just do this body area here. So I'm just going to go up from this point. And we'll just go around, sort of down out like that. Yeah, and then the back of him, where his tail will be, it's going to be about here, right? So we're just going to go up like that, okay? Here's where the tail is, so I'm just going to go from this wing area, just going to go up, okay, and down like that. And then we've got some more like little bits of the feathers in, so like 1, 2, like that. That's the feather area there. Right under here, just do the little curve up so it will kind of match up, and then what we have is a couple of little lines out from the gaps that we've got, and then we'll just do little triangles just to make that up, like that. This side as well, like that. Okay. All right, now we've got to put his little chicken legs in. So they're quite thin. What we're going to do is taper down sort of to here. So I'm going to go do a little line like that, and from here do a little line like that. Okay, kind of like blob out a little bit there. And then we've got a little hint of the back of his sort of chicken foot. And then there's two sort of chicken bits, one chicken toe there, one chicken toe there. Just draw a little bit in there to help, all right? What we'll do is just do some little curves just to sort of show the texture of his leg. So there, maybe one here, here as well, okay? Great, all right. Next up, next chicken leg, this kind of comes around here, like this. So what we're gonna do is start here and then just curve that around like that. This side, start about there, just curve around like that. Again, it kind of comes out a bit. This one shows a little bit more like the claw at the end, so just draw around like that. Bring it right up to this little toe here. Draw a little claw there, and up and back. And then this one actually comes out even further up and around like that. Okay, again, let's just put some little curves in. Like that. All right. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Let's just join these bits up here, up there, maybe up like that too. And yeah, just this bit like that. I think that's looking pretty good. Just one little bit, just where the body comes down and flicks out like that. I think that's pretty good. Let's just put a little bit of brown in, just to base him. Like that. Okay, giant chicken's looking pretty good. Let's get in there with a yellow colour. So get your bright yellow, and then we're going to go around and just fill in the main parts of the chicken. So a lot of yellow on this one. Okay, let's go in here. Fill in around here. Okay, let's do his tail area here. And just around there too. Alright, just left a couple of gaps in there. What I'm going to do is just get a slightly darker yellow, and then we can just do the shadow areas. So come around just around here, start filling those in. Around here. There, just around here. Solidly under here actually as well, so let's just pop in a bit under there. And then yeah, just under here. Just curve it around a bit. It kind of gives it that cartoony look and feel. That's good. Next, I'm just going to get a sort of soft orangey colour. Let's get those legs done. So, sort of a bit more vibrant than that other yellow we just used. And we'll just go in, colour that in like this. Leg, sorted. And then the next leg. Okay, that's cool. So next up, we're going to get a much more vibrant orange, I think. And what we'll do is that beak colour area. So just grab that. That's better. Nice vibrant orange on the beak. What we do, just set that off with just a bit more of a popping orange just underneath there, like that, just to give a bit of an idea of shading around there. Okay, next up, let's get a nice red. What we can do is those areas under the chin, and then on the top of his head. And then just on the beak there as well, just a little pop of red there. I'm just going to pop a bit of red as well on the ground, just to add that kind of accent colour and that pop of colour just at the base of where he is. Coming across here, it's got quite a good action pose. Okay, and I think that's it. So that is the giant chicken on Art Draw. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. See you next time.